Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Corey from Corey's Tech Time, and today we are doing an unboxing. And as you can see, I got a few boxes with me, and we're going to do an unboxing of the Pixel 8 Pro. So I picked these up on launch day and they were delivered today. And the ones on the right, these are for me. The Pixel 8, the watch, and the case is for me, and for my wife is the case, the buds, and the 8 Pro in porcelain. So we're only going to do the phones, so let me get these other items out the way. And here we are. These are the Pixel 8 Pros in porcelain and in, I believe it's obsidian. So let's get this one unboxed really quick. Alright, let's get this off. Man, that looks really nice. I thought this was gonna be like a gold color, but it looks like it's like a stainless steel or polished aluminum look to it. It looks really nice. Alright, and that's the phone. Let's get this off as well. I'm not gonna turn it on. I just want you guys to take a look at it. Very nice, and that's stuff. So it's no more of that curved edge, and it's a flat edge now, and it looks really nice. It feels lighter than my Pixel 7 Pro. It feels nice though. All right, let's put this to the side for a second. And inside the box we have the usual, so we have a cable, type C to type C, and then we also have USB to type C, and that's pretty much it outside of these books, which is stuff I never look at. But nevertheless, again, let's just take another quick look. So under here is the type C connector and your speakers and your mic. Up top there's nothing there. Looks like there might be a 5G antenna right there. On the right side you have your usual buttons, power button and your volume buttons there. And yeah, this is just a really nice device. I can't wait till I open up the black one. All right, so let's check this one out. All right, and this is the black one. And this is like the matte finish, and the other one was matte as well, but this one is a little bit more noticeable because it's, you know, because of the color. It looks really nice, and that camera bar is just looks amazing. So let's get this out. And there we go. It feels really nice, and it feels more comfortable actually than the 7 Pro does. And yeah, they got the same ports and everything, same buttons, same 5G antenna. Looks like that's a mic, power button, your volume rocker at the bottom, type C connector, and your mic and speaker, and nothing on the left side. But yeah, this is really nice, guys. I'm really digging this. Look at that. Looks really nice. And I'm not going to show you what's in this box because you can just see from here what's in there. And guys, that's it for the unboxing. I plan on doing some videos on these products that I just picked up, so look out for that. And until the next one, peace.